Dear friends, in this video I shall show you an electronic rough pad. It is like a slate. I will try to discuss its positive sides and of course its drawback. It is not a very complicated electronic gadget. It is just for writing something and delete using one button, and you can save a lot of papers. Here you can see the box. The actual price is quite lower than the printed price on the box. You can check the price from the link in the video description. This paper is for registration product for warranty. You have to send a photo of the invoice at their WhatsApp number to register the warranty. This writing pad is very slim and the plastic quality is not bad. The overall design is pretty nice. Here you can see some spots, but when I am pressing this delete button, it is still appearing, so I have to remove the battery protection plastic. Now delete button is working. Here is a pen. It is made with average quality plastic. There is only one button for delete. The rough pad is really thin. On the back side there are 4 magnets, but those magnets are not so powerful. Some rough pad is available with a small lock switch for protecting, which is drawn on the pad, but this writing pad has not any lock switch. This pad is running on a 3V 2016 coin cell, which is replaceable and non-rechargeable. This writing pad is not pure white. The written things are a little bit greenish. When I am pressing the delete button, it is now clear. It is working with pressure, so I can use my nail. When my hand is on the pad, I am just testing it. Here you can see some spots, but it is okay. And you can use it by putting hand on it comfortably while writing. Now I am trying to draw something. I cannot draw a very thin line because this pen is not so pointed. This pad has not any backlight, so it is not visible in dark. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.